What's up everybody, it's time for another product review. This time I'm going to be reviewing a product that I literally know nothing about. It's been out kind of for a while. I don't know if this particular line has, but I just see it all the time in stores and I just never picked it up. And that is the Maui Moisture product line. And so I actually bought a non-subscription Curlbox. And so what this box came with is the Maui Moisture Shine Awapuhi shampoo. It actually came with a lot of stuff. The Awapuhi, I think I'm saying that right, Awapuhi conditioner. And it's all this says for dull hair, which my hair is dull. Color protection, sea minerals, heat shield mist. Thicken and restore bamboo fibers, blowout mist. That's interesting. And then curl quench plus coconut oil curl smoothie. Says for thick curly hair, which I definitely have. And this stuff you use actually for, like, I guess you can do a wash and go with it, but you can use it like for twist and twist outs. And then it also came with a little Maui Moisture brush, which I thought was pretty cool. I don't know how good this is gonna do as far as detangling it, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this. It came with a spray bottle, which I also thought was kind of cool. This is like a very cheaper version of what I have. I have a real good one that came from Sally's. This one's real, like, light plastic, like you can do like that. So I'll just keep this just in case my other one breaks, but that was kind of cool. And then it also came with Maui Moisture. It says Maui Moisture Vegan Hair Care, a little mirror, which I think is kind of cool too. I don't know if I ever use that though, but that was nice. So like I said, I've never used any products in this line before, and I was particularly interested in this because I wanted to do a blowout, and it has this blowout mist in it. And they have like really good ingredients in here. Like, they're all infused with aloe vera juice and coconut water. I think everything is, yeah, aloe vera juice and coconut water, which I think is kind of cool. I already kind of smelled this a little bit, and it's not too smelly or loud. It actually smells really good. So I'm gonna, like I said, I haven't done a blowout like in years, so I just kind of want to see what my hair looked like blown out versus wearing it curly and twist out all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot. I'm gonna go try the shampoo conditioner right now, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is the starting point of my hair. This is an old, very old wash and go. So this shampoo and conditioner says that it detangles. Well, if it can help me with this, that will be the true test if whether these products are worth anything. So I will go shampoo my hair and apply the conditioner, and then I will come back and let you guys know what I think. Okay, so my hair has been shampooed and conditioned with the Maui Moisture Awapuhi products, and so I will say I actually like the shampoo. I'm not like a huge I don't know, shampoos are not that big of a deal to me. I never found one that I really love that much, or even really hate it, unless it just didn't smell good. And so this shampoo conditioner, they both smell the same. They kind of have like a citrusy scent to them. I kind of wish they hadn't put that in there though, because it doesn't bother my allergies, but it's just, I just think they really could have done without that, since they claim to have all these good vegan ingredients in the products. And so yeah, you know, the smells are just not that exciting to me. But anyway, so the shampoo, I mean, it was a good shampoo. I don't know if I would buy it again because I have so many other shampoos, but I mean, it was good. I don't have any complaints about that. The conditioner, at first when I put it in my hair and then I went to detangle with this, I was like, oh no. But when I switched over and used my Tangle Teaser brush, it went right through. So the conditioner is good. It has good slip, easy to detangle. My hair feels moisturized, but the brush is garbage as far as I'm concerned. Maybe for people with some other type of hair can use this, but for me, it's a no. So I'm just gonna put this away. Yeah, no. So now I'm going to use this blowout mist. That's what I'm gonna apply to my hair first, and then I'm gonna apply the heat shield mist because I'm gonna be blow drying my hair. And I don't, like I said before, I haven't blow dried my hair in years. I don't even own a blow dryer. I'm using my sister's blow dryer, and I hope I don't break any of the teeth out of it. She has the kind, like nobody uses this kind anymore. I don't know why she still has this. It's a golden hot. Does anybody use these anymore? I think most people use like the professional blow dryers and they take a brush with it, but I think this one probably be for a beginner. This one's probably easier for me to use anyway, because I really don't know what I'm doing. So I'm not going to just blow dry a big chunk like this, because I don't think that's going to work very well. I'm going to take this section and then take just a little piece like that. And what did I say I'm going to use first? Okay, so the Blowout Mist. There's really no instructions on how much you're supposed to use this, but obviously you want to get it on every strand if possible. And it brags on like all the products and it says made with aloe vera juice as the first ingredient, like on everything. So I think that's kind of cool. Then I'm going to use this color protection. I do have color in my hair. Heat shield mist. Like I said, I really want to be real careful because I don't want to damage my hair any more than what it's already damaged. And it says the results moisturize strands, minute split ends, and a healthy glow with every use. I like the way that sounds. And then this one, it says moisturize strands, minute split ends, and healthy. It says the same thing, so I don't even know if there's really a difference. These kind of have a fruity smell to them, but it's not bad at all. Make sure that's combed completely out before I blow dry it. Okay. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like dry. I mean, nothing extra special. I'm kind of glad I did this because I'm going to trim my ends a little bit more. I just did another video where I trimmed it with twists, but you can't see everything when your hair is in its natural state. So I'm going to trim my hair a little bit more after I finish blow drying it. But it feels okay. I wouldn't say there's no silky feel or anything to this. So I don't know, when I do some more pieces, I might have to add some, whatever I have around here, like some grease or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, no, I don't feel anything extra special. I mean, I'm not saying that my hair is not protected, but it definitely doesn't feel great, or even, I would go as far as say it doesn't feel that soft or anything. So yeah, I'll just finish the rest of my hair and then come back. Whew, finally. Okay, I remember why I don't do blowouts in my hair that often. It's just way too much work. I just can't get with that. I'm gonna be rocking this blowout no matter what I'm gonna be rocking it for a minute for real. So here's the results. I mean, it's just a blowout. There's nothing special about this, but I was hoping that there was gonna be something special about these products, and I'm sad to say that it's not. So here's a full review and everything that I did and what I had to do for this blowout. So like I said before, where is it? Shampoo and conditioner it's just a good shampoo. It's fine, you know, go out and try it if you want to try something different. The conditioner is pretty good. Well, it felt good in my hair as I was detangling it while it was wet. These stress for dull hair, my hair is still dull, and it would have been worse than this if I hadn't doctored it up. It says hydrate, detangle, gentle. Yeah, it was all that. These products are okay. I wouldn't bend over backwards trying to go get them, but they're fine. I'm gonna use them up. These two, I literally have no clue if they did anything or not, because this is a heat shield and this is a blowout mist. I don't know if this shielded my hair from the heat or not. I'll see if it ends up being damaged after this blowout. This blowout densify, revive, strength. Maybe, I just can't really tell. A lot of my hair didn't fall out or anything like that when I was blow drying, so maybe it's okay. Bottom line is, all that Awapuhi stuff and everything kept stating shine, and my hair literally had no shine to it at all. It was so dull, it was so dry looking. Now I know, mind you, my hair, like I always say in all my videos, my hair is extremely dry. My skin is dry. I'm just a dry person. But I was expecting these products to do at least a little something. And so what I ended up having to do is use my standby little product, B&B Supergirl Grease. That helped it to at least get to this level, which is not even that great. So what I did, I blow dried my hair completely, and then I just went back over it and put some grease in it to kind of just melt it and make it. And it does feel, it feels way softer than it was, and it like has a little bit more shine than it did. But that's, I'm gonna attribute all that to the grease. That wasn't those Maui Moisture products at all. So my recommendation, can I recommend these products to anybody? No, I could not do it unless I just don't like you and I want you to go waste your money. Maybe some of the other lines that they have, or some of the other products are really good. The shampoo conditioner is okay. I'm still going to try this curl smoothie one day. I don't know, it's just not that great. The good thing about doing this blowout though, I got to see some things about my hair. I thought I had trimmed it all good and I didn't, so I had to go back and trim it some more. And then I also found out that I'm not going to be blow drying my hair that much anymore, because it just takes way too much work. But as you can see, I mean, hair is blowing out, it's still thick. I haven't lost. This is totally like Shaka Khan. I love this. Now I do like this about a blowout, for real. I've lost some hair, like I said, because it's dry, but I haven't lost that much where you can just totally see it. My hair is just like noticeably short or anything like that. When it dry, you definitely can see the color that I had put in the back, way back in the summer. You can see that way better. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair now. I'll probably just like kind of braid it in 4 braids or something like that. I just don't know. I mean, I like it, but those products are not all that. If it wasn't for the grease saving the day. So anyway, if you like this video, if I helped you make any kind of decision on purchase or anything, or if you just like looking at my hair, whatever, give it a thumbs up. Maybe you have some tips on how to do a blowout. Like I said, I'm not that experienced in it, so go ahead and drop a comment. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.